In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Tableau workbooks as package workbooks. This process will help you efficiently bundle your workbook and its data source into one convenient file that you can easily share with others. So, let's dive right in and walk through this step-by-step process. First things first, you'll want to open the Tableau Public app. This application is your gateway to accessing and editing your Tableau workbooks. Once you have the app open, you can proceed to access your worksheet. Now, this might be an existing worksheet where you're currently working on your data or any other file you've saved in your Tableau account. Next, you'll need to select the specific worksheet or dashboard you want to package. This step is crucial as it determines which content will be included in your package workbook. So take a moment to make sure you've got the right one selected. After you've selected your desired worksheet, it's time to navigate your way to the data source. In Tableau, clicking on the data source ensures that all the information tied to your worksheet will be included in the package. This step not only secures the integrity of your data, but also helps prevent any compatibility issues when sharing the workbook with others. Now that you've got your data source locked in, you'll click on the File menu. This is typically found on the top left corner of your screen. From there, you'll need to select the Save As option. This is where things start to come together. When the Save dialog box pops up, you'll have the option to choose the file type. Here, you'll select Tableau Package Workbook, which is denoted by the file extension .twbx. Choosing this option is key to creating a package workbook that bundles everything into one neat package, significantly streamlining the process of sharing your work. So why go through this whole process of saving as a package workbook, you ask? Well, these package workbooks are incredibly efficient and useful, especially because they bundle both the workbook and its data source into a single file. This bundled file is what makes it portable. It's perfect for sharing, particularly with users who might not have direct access to the original data source. By following these steps, you will have a convenient and effective way to distribute your Tableau work. It simplifies collaboration and ensures that your data stories are communicated seamlessly to your team or audience. So, go ahead, try it out, and enjoy the ease of sharing your carefully crafted Tableau insights with others. Remember, with each package workbook, you're opening the door to better collaboration and understanding. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.